हेलो दोस्तों, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर माय वीडियो दीक्षा एजुकेशनल पॉइंट। कंट्रोल ए select all content of the page. Control B bold highlighted section. These are shortcuts for basically used in Control C copy selected text. Control D font option. By helping these options you can do your work smartly. If you want to do your work smartly, then use shortcut keys. Control E align selected text to the center. If you want to text in center, please use Control A. Control F for find. Control G go to. Control H find and replace option. If you want to find and replace option, please use Control H. Control I italic. If you want to text italic, then use Control I. Control J justify paragraph alignment. Control K insert link. If you want to insert link on your text, then use Control K. Control L align selected text. If you want to give your text alignment, then use Control L. Control M indent the paragraph. Control N new page. For open new page, you should select Control N, then you find new page on your screen. These are the shortcut keys. Control O open options. If you want to use open option, Control P, basically we all know that open the print window, by which we can open print window. Control Q align selected paragraph to the left. If you want to use Control R align selected text to the right. These are left right option for paragraph alignment. Control S very common option. Control S if you want to save your file, it is very necessary. Control T hanging indent. Control U underline, it's very good option. Control V when we use Control C, then we have to paste the text, by which Control V we can paste the selected items. Control W close document. If you want to close document, then use Control W. Control X cut selected text. Control Y redo the last action performed. If you want to redo, Control Z undo the last action. Please like and subscribe my video for more updates. This is thank you very